The Artworks tab is where you'll upload all of your artworks to various galleries. You can see here in this simple demo that I have several artworks set up, and these artworks are organized according to their gallery. You can click on any of the titles here that are purple in this table heading in order to be able to sort by that specific column. Now, apart from the default items here, you can click the Edit at any time to edit the details for a specific artwork. You can click the View to take you to how this artwork looks directly on your website. And then if you need to delete the artwork, you can select the trash can icon. Let's go ahead and look at how to add a new artwork. Simply select the Add New Artwork icon at the upper right, and you'll be presented with the screen with all the settings for this particular artwork. Now, you'll first note that the first thing you'll select is which gallery this artwork should be placed in. You can create as many of these galleries as you want, so we recommend you first start in the galleries to set up your initial galleries first, as when you add a new artwork, you'll need to select where this artwork will go. You can, of course, change this later by editing the artwork at any time. So I'm just going to add an artwork here to the oil paintings gallery. I'll go ahead and select a type. Now I also want to note, as soon as you select a type here, this type also influences which of these drop downs are available. For example, in the drawing drop down, the media here directly pertains to drawing, whereas if you choose another one such as painting, or maybe we can do multimedia, you'll see that you have different options down here. Now these are set options, and the reason why they're pretty specific is if you list your artwork for sale on our marketplace, where we'll market your artwork for you, users are able to search for different artwork by these differing criteria. So you want to pay attention to these and make sure they're as accurate as possible. All right, so I'm just going to select a simple painting here. I'll just title this The Mona Lisa, and I'll give it a height here. So I'm going to say this is a 2 by 2 by 2 just to be simple here. Description of the artwork here, you can be as lengthy as you need here. And then of course a price, I'll say $50,000, will be on sale today. And the price has to be in a very specific format. It does need the trailing zeros, and we require that just to eliminate user error. And then of course a weight. This weight could factor into shipping if you want. The date the artwork was created. And then I'm just going to kind of randomize through here really quickly through these categories here. All right, now down here in the status, I can list this status as available or sold. I'm going to say it's available right now. And if somebody wanted to purchase this, I'm going to say it's a $100 shipping fee. And then I'll quickly explain what a few of these checkboxes do. So if I check the is for sale on your own website, it will allow the customer to purchase that particular artwork. Okay. If I select feature on the home page, this particular artwork will show up as a featured artwork on your website's home page inside of a little mini slider. Okay, if I select the list on EZZL.shop, this means you're going to list this particular artwork also on our global network of artwork for users and buyers around the world to see. That's a free service there. And then also, if you select the promote on EZZL's network, we'll go ahead and also promote this particular artwork on our social channels and on our website as well. And then lastly, visible on website. So if you don't want this particular artwork to show up on your public facing website, you can still add it in your inventory. You would just deselect this and it won't show up on your website, but it will still be archived and sort of organized inside of your artworks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select each of these. Next is just a few additional details here. So if this artwork is framed, if it's signed, and if it's hang ready. These are just additional details that help any potential buyers understand the condition of your artwork. So I'm just going to leave all of these checked for now, and I'll show you what this looks like as soon as we add this artwork. So I'm going to say add artwork and proceed to images. If you do have anything in error, you'll notice that you'll get a little message like this. So it says this field cannot be left empty. So I'm going to put 50 again. And the issue here was that I actually placed a comma. So we don't want any commas here. We just want zeros with the trailing decimals there. And I'll go ahead and say add artwork. Then the second step is attaching your images to your artwork. Now you can add up to 3 images per artwork. So you could do like a overview shot and then maybe a detailed shot. And I'm just going to select the add image button here. You can also drag and drop if needed. and just select a simple image here that I have on my desktop for demo purposes. So I'm going to head and select choose here, and this will upload the file, and then EZZL will also create 4 separate attachments for this specific image. We create a thumbnail, a small, a medium, and a large size version for display throughout your website. So now I'm just going to select the return to entry now that I've attached that image, and you can see it takes me back to here. Now let's just go ahead and look at that new image here. It's probably on my last page here, and there's my new image. And you can see now when I select the edit button and come in and edit this artwork, the image is over here on the side. And I can go ahead and add additional images as well if I need. Now let's go ahead and look and see what this image looks like on the website. So I'm going to click the view button one more time, and you can see here is this image. There's the small. If I had the other thumbnails, they would appear here. The user can hover over the image to see a detailed view if need be. Here's all the details about this specific image. And then the user can also, of course, add this directly to the cart and purchase this image inside of their shopping cart. And that is how you add images inside of your website.